Hi, are you ready to improve your English speaking skills? Let's do shadowing. Listen first, then repeat after me. Copy how I speak, my pronunciation, speed, and tone. Record yourself, listen, and check your improvement. Practice daily for best results. Daily routine sentences. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth right after getting up. I brush my teeth right after getting up. I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs for breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs for breakfast. I leave home around 7:30. I leave home around 7:30. I walk to school with my friends. I walk to school with my friends. I study hard during my classes. I study hard during my classes. I eat lunch in the school cafeteria. I eat lunch in the school cafeteria. I come home in the afternoon. I come home in the afternoon. I do my homework before dinner. I do my homework before dinner. I watch TV with my family. I watch TV with my family. I read a book before going to bed. I read a book before going to bed. I usually sleep around 10 o'clock. I usually sleep around 10 o'clock. My mornings are always busy. My mornings are always busy. I like starting my day with music. I like starting my day with music. Common daily conversations. How are you today? How are you today? I'm doing great, thank you. I'm doing great, thank you. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? I went shopping with my friends. I went shopping with my friends. That sounds fun. That sounds fun. What's your plan for today? What's your plan for today? I have a lot of homework to finish. I have a lot of homework to finish. Let's meet after school. Let's meet after school. Sure. What time? Sure. What time? How about 5 o'clock? How about 5 o'clock? That works for me. That works for me. Where should we go? Where should we go? Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Sounds perfect. Sounds perfect. See you later. See you later. School and study sentences. I like learning new things every day. I like learning new things every day. My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. I always do my best in class. I always do my best in class. Our teacher is very kind and helpful. Our teacher is very kind and helpful. I take notes carefully during lessons. I take notes carefully during lessons. I review my lessons every night. I review my lessons every night. I'm preparing for an English test. I'm preparing for an English test. I want to improve my speaking skills. I want to improve my speaking skills. Group discussions help me learn faster. Group discussions help me learn faster. I enjoy reading English stories. I enjoy reading English stories. I sometimes make mistakes, but that's okay. I sometimes make mistakes, but that's okay. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. I believe I can speak English fluently one day. I believe I can speak English fluently one day. I ask questions when I don't understand. I ask questions when I don't understand. Learning is a lifelong journey. Learning is a lifelong journey. Talking about hobbies, I love listening to music in my free time. I love listening to music in my free time. My favorite song is very relaxing. My favorite song is very relaxing. I enjoy watching movies on weekends. I enjoy watching movies on weekends. I play football with my friends. I play football with my friends. I like drawing and painting. I like drawing and painting. Reading helps me learn new words. Reading helps me learn new words. I sometimes cook simple dishes. I sometimes cook simple dishes. I like traveling to new places. I like traveling to new places. I often take pictures when I travel. I often take pictures when I travel. Playing games helps me relax. Playing games helps me relax. I enjoy spending time with my family. I enjoy spending time with my family. I am learning to play the guitar. I am learning to play the guitar. I like dancing when I'm happy. I like dancing when I'm happy. Gardening is my new hobby. Gardening is my new hobby. I enjoy writing short stories in English. I enjoy writing short stories in English. Expressing feelings and opinions. I feel happy when I help others. I feel happy when I help others. I get nervous before a big test. I get nervous before a big test. I am excited about the weekend. I am excited about the weekend. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Sometimes I feel tired, but I keep going. Sometimes I feel tired, but I keep going. I think learning English is very useful. I think learning English is very useful. In my opinion, practice is more important than talent. In my opinion, practice is more important than talent. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. Confidence grows with practice. Confidence grows with practice. I feel good when I speak English clearly. I feel good when I speak English clearly. I want to sound more natural when I speak. I want to sound more natural when I speak. Speaking English makes me feel confident. Speaking English makes me feel confident. I am grateful for my teachers and friends. I am grateful for my teachers and friends. I always try to stay positive. I always try to stay positive. Talking about the future, I want to study abroad someday. I want to study abroad someday. I dream of becoming a doctor. I dream of becoming a doctor. I hope to travel the world. I hope to travel the world. I plan to work hard for my goals. I plan to work hard for my goals. I will improve my English every day. I will improve my English every day. I want to meet people from different countries. I want to meet people from different countries. One day, I'll speak English fluently. One day, I'll speak English fluently. I will never give up on my dreams. I will never give up on my dreams. The future is full of opportunities. The future is full of opportunities. I am preparing for a bright future. I am preparing for a bright future. I want to inspire others to learn. I want to inspire others to learn. I will keep practicing every day. I will keep practicing every day. My goal is to speak confidently with anyone. My goal is to speak confidently with anyone. I believe my hard work will pay off. I believe my hard work will pay off. I'm excited about what's coming next. I'm excited about what's coming next. Useful daily expressions. Could you please help me? Could you please help me? That's a great idea. That's a great idea. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Let's try it together. Let's try it together. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Take your time. Take your time. I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. That's interesting. That's interesting. Can you say that again, please? Can you say that again, please? I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Great work today. Speak out loud daily, and your English will get better fast. Keep practicing with me, and your confidence will shine. Subscribe, share, and come back for more lessons. Happy learning.